all beautiful people. How are you all? Welcome to another lesson. Learn Kathak with Sudhi. So, I am a Kathak performer and a Kathak instructor. I have been teaching Kathak since past more than 8 years. I have taught more than close to 200 students, and I started my Kathak journey when I was pretty young. When I was 5 years old, my mom introduced me to Kathak, and since then there was no looking back. I have done Visharad in Kathak, which is a degree equivalent to bachelor's degree. And what I love in Kathak is the grace it brings to you, the poise, the strength, mentally and physically both. And the list is endless. So I really look forward to share whatever knowledge I have. And let's get started without any further ado. Here we go. Right. So let me quickly introduce you to Kathak, to all the passionate dancers that are out there. What Kathak is, it's one of the Indian classical dance form from North India. There are 8 Indian classical dance forms in India, one being Kathak. And what is Kathak? We say there are a lot of Kathak dancers who perform Kathak, but Kathak means something. The word is Katha. It means story. So Kathak dancers are called as kathakars or storytellers. We do a lot of stories around several topics, around several subjects. So the kathakars enact the stories of Hindu mythology with a combination of songs, movements and dance with devotion. Lots of stories, lots of dance performances that we do are basically around this mythological stories. We do a lot of Radha Krishna compositions. We do a lot of god goddesses compositions that are there in Indian mythology. We do Ramayana, Mahabharata, a lot of stories, little stories that we pick from Mahabharata and Ramayana, and then we perform that. So that's how the word Kathak defines us. Kathak, Katha, and we Kathakars are the storytellers. Alright, now the Kathak dance form. It emphasizes rhythmic foot movements adorned with ankle bells, the ghungroos, and the movement harmonized to the music. So there are very rigorous foot movements that we need to learn, and there is a ghungru, which is one of the very, very important elements in Kathak.